3 years ago, I did not know how to exit the corporate ka chakravyuh. All my education had been to survive inside that chakravyuh, the rat race of the corporate game, the corporate propaganda. I was really unhappy because everything was urgent, everything was emergency में काम करना था. Every project, and I gave my heart and soul to one of those projects 3 years ago, which made me question कि मैं ये कर क्यों रहा हूँ. ना ये प्रोजेक्ट मेरा है, ना ये कॉर्पोरेट का जो कंपनी है एंटिटी, ना वो मेरा है. Why am I doing this? For some money which is not Lakshmi, and in an environment which is totally disconnected from nature. They have done this beautiful system which has, मतलब चप्पल पहन लो, be disconnected from the ground, work in a blue light environment inside a box, live in a box, go to the office box also in a box. So my mind was also literally in a box, and I did not know what to do. I was really frustrated कि करूँगा क्या. Then I started thinking about how can I get my energy back. It's not about the money. Money is the decoy. They have rigged the system, and money is one of the lowest form of rewards. And what are they taking from me is I realized the highest form of energy. The highest form of energy, that is the dedication and my soul and effort. They were taking my energy, which is one of the most highest of instruments that I have to give someone. If I can give my energy to somebody, a real person, and help them, recover from a disease, they'll be really grateful. But this corporate के structure में gratefulness तो कुछ है ही नहीं. वो monthly जो applause आता है कि gratitude award, that is only because they don't want us to leave. And I was really surprised and annoyed with the system that they have built. This corporate का chakravyuh, it's mind blowing that they are sucking out our energy and giving us just money. Money का concept is an artificial concept, right? And पहले नहीं था. So I started to find out the secrets of energy, which our yogis had cracked thousands of years ago, which has been eroded and completely non-existent in our current education क्योंकि मुगल ने हटा दिया उसको. Then Britishers came and they removed everything that was left of the Gurukulams and what the Gurus had discovered. But I started exploring. I was like, I have to do something. I can't die doing this corporate ka job and get a condolence ka mail, which I won't be there to read. So I started taking office calls in this environment, in this park. I used to come and 4 to 5, if there are office calls, यहीं से करता था. And slowly I started connecting with Bhumi Devi. I started walking barefoot. I started sleeping in Ma Kali's lap. I started drawing Lakshman Rekha, that the personal boundary. Don't call me after 7 p.m. to my boss. And they respected it because it came from a place of energy. And I cracked the energy code. And it's a beautiful code. And energy is Shakti. Devi. We are living in Devi's world. The trees, the birds. ये सब हमारे corporate culture में क्यों नहीं है? And this rat race that they have built, I started excelling in this rat race because I developed so much of energy that 30% of that energy to be given to that rat race was enough. Like right now, I am one of the top performing employees. I'm an assistant vice president, due for promotion next year, but I'm going to quit because I have so much energy that I actually figured out what I need to do. And this transformation that I had, I want to share with anyone. If you are one of them who has going through these emotions, that if you are feeling stuck in a corporate job, don't know where to do, they are sucking out your energy, you're feeling drained out. This 3 years of journey that I've done in isolation, I've distilled them down into a 28-day course, the 28-day Yogic Energy Reset Challenge. It is for 20,000 rupees for 28 days, wherein we will work on getting all those energy back by connecting back to Shakti, by connecting back to Bhumi Devi, by Surya Dev, drawing our Lakshman Rekha, sleeping in Maa Kali's lap. Sleep has been अभी तो कोई सोता भी नहीं है, डायरेक्ट शटडाउन ही होता है. So yeah, this is, if you feel the calling for it, if you want to get your energy back, survive the rat race, do excellent within that, and find a way out of the corporate ka Chakravyu, let me know. There'll be a PDF as well which describes in detail what is inside the course. And if you have any doubts, let me know. I'm happy to discuss over a call as well. And yeah, let's get back the grace to live our life. Let's get back our energy. Jai Bhavani.